Hi everyone, and dito naman kami ngayon sa Knoxville, Tennessee. So, mag-shooting muna kami. Kasama namin itong stepdad ni Ashton. So,
Iikot mo siya, i-twist mo siya. Hindi, sige.
Hey, how's it going?
oh yeah. Rules.
That beaver is my
not
favorite.
used to.
Why is it? It's backwards.
No,
There was one that was backwards inside.
It's like you, huh?
That's a 9mm. Then I've got a 9mm. Whatever you put the crosshairs on, it'll hit. That thing will hit. You want to try your 22?
Pasok mo.
I don't know what's
Tulak mo.
Ready. Just pull it back.
Tututok mo lang doon, ha?
Ah.
Tutok mo doon. Pasok mo. Kasa mo. Ready nang bumaril yun. Nasa labas yung daliri mo, ha? Kaliwa.
May pigit eh.
So, dito yung mga bili mo. I-click mo lang itong pababa. Ayan. Yan. Ready na yan.
Ito, ilalagay ko lang.
Sunod-sunod.
Nakatutok doon, ha? Okay. Pasok mo dito. Tapos, hilahin mo.
What's going on with your
Hilahin mo, let go mo.
one? I should
What's that?
Oh, Ian is hitting that one.
So he thinks it's
The one at the very end.
Yeah.
What?
There you
Oh.
go.
What?
That's the favorite gopher.
The gopher's dead.
What?
Alright.
Tama lahat ah.
Nope, gopher's
Accuracy ko po, 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10 accuracy. Galit na galit ka doon sa green, ha? Oh,
Okay, so it's ready.
Timber.
Kimber.
9 ito.
Is this the magazine?
Yeah.
For the Kimber?
380.
945.
Which one is AK-47?
That's AK-47.
The other one is
Big. And
SK.
that's an AR-15?
That's AR-15.
Holy crap.
So you'd think that that wouldn't hurt as much as that,
No.
but that's got so much more powder in it, so that hits harder
Yeah.
and
It's gonna-
goes out further.
Ito yung mga tama ni Paul, oh.
Ay, yung sa duck. Yung kay Ian.
Yeah.
Likod ng duck.
I think...
Itong duck. Sabi niya, uy, tinatama mo yung duck. Eh, yung bilog yung tinitira ko.
So, hawakan
45 eh. Pero isang balalay nilagay ni Ashton para matry ko daw.
pagkapasok mo, ka-click mo, pwede nang ibaril yan.
Sama!
Lalo ah.
Masayang sa'yo eh.
Ha?
Masaya yan eh.
Ngayon, gugustuhin niya.
Yung una kasi nagulat ako, pog! Ganun eh.
At saka yung tenga mo kanina, hindi yata
Hindi
nakapasok.
nakalagay.
Kaya nagugulat ka. Dalawa.
Ayan, dito na ba kami sa kabilang spot? Yung mga rifle.
Hindi, yung ganito, yung weight mo pa harap. Ayan.
One week.
Ay, may picture eh.
One more. Ah,
Ooh.
there you go.
Nakabit. Ang lakas.
Wala na pala.
Yung daliri mo, ilong mo.
Yeah. Take your thumb and hit fire, and then you're ready to go.
Hindi mo naman kailangan ilagay, pero aatras sa'yo yan.
Dito ba hawak, bro? Ganyan.
Oo, pwede. Pwede dyan, pwede dito, kung saan mo gusto.
It's just a lock.
Sarang hindi ko.
That's your safety, so safety's on, safety's off. So safety's off right now, it's ready to fire.
Kasi... Safety! Woohoo! That's nice, right?
Na ba ni
Oh.
Tumama na.
This can hit without scope.
Yeah,
So good.
yeah.
It's gonna have a nice barrel.
I said my son-in-law brought that out. It's actually his gun. I shot that a lot better. 70 years old and no scope.
70, no scope,
Yep.
and it's so accurate.
Makes you not want to go to war with it. Oh, I shot China.
Wow.
Right?
There you go.
Wow.
Alright. Go.
Huh?
Ako. Lagyan mo to. Let me see. Is there still bullets?
That's cool.
Oh, he's not even bracing it. He's just going. He's going ham.
Is it 30 capacity?
Okay, no. Couple.
Kain mo na. Doon sa...
California?
Ba?
Yeah. I've been to one before. I just don't remember where. Ito daw yung popular dito.
Do you wanna sit
Like
over
the-
here kasi mas maluwang? We'll sit with that.
Oh, because of the video.
Hot pandesal.
Yo, puti lang Pinoy eh.
Sarap.
It's in the rattlesnake bite.
You know. That's onion rings. What is this?
Awesome lesson.
They're jalapeno cheese bites.
Oh, okay. So it's not real alligator.
It's not spicy, yeah.
Alright, cool. I'm gonna try it.
Should have told you it's
He likes
alligator.
balls, so he likes brown balls. Here.
I mean so much about
I play with balls.
What? What? You play balls?
Italian dressing.
Italians. Did you get
I got a
salad?
Caesar salad.
I got a house salad.
You get a salad?
Is that house salad?
Yes, with Italian.
Vinaigrette,
You want Italian?
Vinaigrette, right?
Yeah.
I'm not double
I didn't know we had.
chef kasi itong si Ashton, kaya marami siyang ganun.
We should have tried this in Maine kasi they have this in Maine.
Wow.
And you wanna try this?
So I'm gonna get full with the appetizers alone.
Oh.
Samis Cafe.
Yeah. Yeah.
What is this?
Dirty rice. You can have some.
Ang ganda ng shape na.
It doesn't
They
look
shape it for you.
It doesn't look like rice. Magdamag, no?
Tita, baka mas marami ang iniyak doon na hindi nyo nakita.
Mas mga pizza.
Basta ako,
Ito yung New York strap.
Merong,
They season it nice.
Yeah.
merong kang chicks nun eh. Tapos sabi ko, oh sige, sige. Sabi ko, ganito ang gawin natin. Bubuko ka na. Total, wala na kayo.
So, extend kami ngayon dito sa Knoxville. Kakain muna kami ng breakfast and then tignan natin kung saan tayo dadalhin ni Ashton. Taga dito siya dati. Sarap nung fried rice na miss namin. Dito kasi puro hotdog tsaka fried chicken kinakain. Steak yung mga gano'n. Yung kanin na ulit. You know, shrimp or lobster soup.
Sauce.
Sauce. Anong gagawin natin ngayon? Ulit. Downtown ba?
Gatlinburg.
Gatlinburg. Ano dito ko na? Hindi naman na ba ako dati? Pork chops natin.
Anong gagawin?
Gatlinburg daw. Ano meron daw?
Mga... Nagkinap ka na ba ng mga ano doon? Moonshine?
Hindi. Pero meron kayo sa bahay, I think. Yung time na yun. You know. It's a good deal here. Kasi ano eh, parang 10.99 na. And then for lunch special, then it comes with rice and a soup. Kasama niya.
So, Ian, bakit ka tumaba dati?
Kapakain mo. Grabe ko. Kasi hindi ko na malayan. Yung nadamig ko di ako nagpalit ng size. Small pa rin yung Andito na kami sa downtown Knoxville, guys. So, ibababa ko lang ng konti yung GoPro pero maraming bar dito kaya iiwanan ko na baka mawala ko na naman eh. Ayan, so medyo magpapainit muna kami kasi malamig dito eh.